maybe 2 of the pink one. And then let's add a little bit of this chard. These are the chard. Maybe 2 of the pink one. This. And then maybe yellow one. And then the other one here, which is like darker. So we have this gorgeous chart along with this purple, the Russian kale, the purple stalk of the Russian kale. I'm cooking like squid. I have here onion, garlic, and ginger. And then I'm adding the squid. So, and onions, green onions from the garden. Let's add the herbs. I'm cooking whole chicken for dinner. This has been boiling for about an hour now. And then I will add this dried jujube and then the goji berry. I just washed them. Then let's add this. They're so colorful. There we go. I have ginger here. Carrots. The celery and mushroom. This is so nutritious and so flavorful too. So the last ingredient is like spinach. It's ready. Let's eat. This is our whole chicken soup with goji berries, jujube, shiitake mushroom, spinach, carrots, and a celery. I'm going to take a walk with a friend. Te lève de ton sommeil, j'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution aux problèmes, que le vent se lève de temps en temps, nous serons heureux pour l'éternel, que tu peux traverser les nuits sans tomber, que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées, que tu peux aimer sans renoncer. Going to Claudine's, which is 12 minutes from here. Tu verras mon amour que la vie est belle. Tu verras tous les jours des nuits sans sommeil, mes gants de velours, des neurones, tes chaînes et nous serons heureux pour l'éternel. Tu verras mon amour que la vie. My coffee and here's my breakfast. Look at the pink flowers from those trees. Beautiful. I'm back home now and about to take like vitamins. And before I do, I just wanted to show you what husband and I have been taking, and they are from Dr. Berg. So we take this vitamin B12. This is multivitamins, and then we also take glucosamine and D3 and K2. This D3 and K2 helps absorb the calcium that we get from the food that we are eating. And then husband also takes this like electrolyte capsules, but I don't. This is only for him. But the other 4, I also take them. So vitamin B12, multivitamins, glucosamine, they are for the joints, and then the D3 and then K2. This is really important. So if you're shopping at Amazon Fresh today, there is cherries. Josh likes cherries. I get 2. To this side, we need blueberries. And they're getting like vegetables too. I need a ginger. For Josh, he likes this. Bread for Josh, since they don't have baguettes right now. Just get this. My food, lobster roll. I don't know. My, yeah. When there are squirrels, there are more squirrels there. Actually, there are probably bunnies. Bunnies or squirrels, I'm not sure. When there are squirrels, there are rattlesnakes. Chasing the squirrels. Where did the squirrels go?
There are like 10 of them. They went into the bushes after I ran.
Oh,
They're like synchronized.
huh. They know what to do now.
Oh, I mean, come here. There's an anthole.
Huh?
There's an anthole here too. Wow, a lot of light. Oh, you want to see it too? I want to show you what happened. There was one squirrel over here, and then when they saw me, that over here. So I went running toward it, and then they went into the bushes.
Running around there somewhere. See you Sunday at 1
Yep, 1 o'clock.
on the court.
On the
I'm
corner.
gonna text Cal and go, get ready, Cal. How are you?
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Awesome. I like flowers now.
Good evening.
Flowers there. Pretty, right? It's pink.
Hello.
Good game.
The creek.
Dinner, I am preparing red snapper with tomatoes and bell pepper. Now let's broil this in the oven. Looks yummy and smells yummy too. These flowers are so beautiful. It's like springtime. I made mapo tofu for Josh's school lunch. Early morning commute. It's a beautiful day today. El Fornaio. Happy birthday, Josh!
Happy birthday, Papa!
Cheers! Josh birthday! Bon compleanno!
Nice. Gosh. But it's salmon, huh? Did you?
Oh my god, that is so very, very pretty. Yummy. Super yummy, no?
Very good.
It's leeks and what potato?
Potato leeks puree.
Yum yum. Can I try your crudo? Crudo. Oh. Try the Josh said it's super yummy.
It's how much, you know?
And I have the grilletta di peche misto.
Very good. Excellent. What is mom having?
And you ordered the Christina pizza.
Oh, look at that
I
cheese.
need to have the technique. I don't. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Hana? Yeah. Want me to help you? No, it's okay. Where's your plate?
Give one to mom.
It's okay, I'll get mine too, huh? Oh my gosh, this is like the appetizer that we like, Daddy, with the cheese and arugula.
This is a meal by itself.
Yeah, the slice, Daddy.
Slice them. Get like a centerpiece so you can see like the cheese spoon. It's like a cheese spoon.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Oops. Here we go. Where is the cheese spoon? Oh, is there a knife? Oh, here. This is heavy. Ooh.
That's the cheese spoon. Oh,
Oh.
and it pulled all the way.
Grazie.
This is the pizza.
Let's mangia.
Linguine marlicchiaro. And this is Josh. Grigliata alla pece.
Grigliata di pece misto.
There you go. Grigliata di pece misto.
And then daddy's
Daddy's Daddy's lasagna.
Lasagna. Oh, wait.
Daddy's
Let me
lasagna.
check.
Classic lasagna. This is the chef's mom's
I'm having
Lasagna.
the lasagna ferrarese.
lasagna ferrarese. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Josh. Linguine.
long noodle long life.
Yes. What is it like?
Tiramisu.
So the espresso with, you guys know already. You've been to Italy many times. We do spumoni. We also do individual gelato. And we have one called Gelate Misti that comes with 3 flavors. You can pick any 3. Also for the adults, I think you guys said you don't really drink anymore, but we do. Yeah, we do some cocktail there too. And we also, of course, do cappuccino, latte, espresso after dinners. Do you want me to bring you the list so you can kind of take your time?
I think he knows what to order.
Oh, you already knew.
Can I have tiramisu?
I thought so.
Hey, happy birthday, Josh.
You guys want to sing?
Yes.
1, 2. Happy birthday to you.
Grazie.
Make your wishes.
Go, Josh.
Yay.
Grazie.
You're welcome, Prego. Enjoy, guys.
Easy. Was the food good?
Yes.
Excellent.
Happy birthday, Josh.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Here at the park. a pelican over there. They're racing. Are you guys racing? Hi Dan.
Hi, we're here at Balboa Lake.
Lemonade stand. I'm getting food from Charlie. I got the Philly cheesecake for the husband and then chicken California for me. And here's husband and my lunch from Charlie's. This is husband's Philly cheesesteak, and then I'm having the California chicken and then the fries, Cajun fries. I am cooking barley soup for tonight's dinner. I washed the barley. Mushroom. Adding spinach. So it's like nutritious. This is barley with mushroom, pork chop, and spinach. Let's eat. We're at Versailles Cuban restaurant. This is their menu. We have our favorite here. So the appetizers, the soups and salads, chicken entrees, pork entrees, beef entrees, vegetarian, and seafood. My favorite here is rabo encendido. This one, the oxtail stew. My husband's favorite here is the famous garlic chicken. This is
Sopa de pollo cubano estilo.
oh, looks yum yum. This is my mommy.
Piña pal niño.
Mommy.
Gracias.
Gracias. Josh is having hopinya. Husband is having materva. Mine is mommy. Mommy, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And here's the bread, the garlic bread. Rabo encendido.
And one more beans, okay?
Lengua.
Uno más, frijol.
Yum, yum.
Gracias.
This is the lengua, plantain and rice, and then these black beans. And I'm having the rabo encendido. Josh and I are sharing on this rabo encendido and plantain and rice. We're here at Versailles. It's a Cuban restaurant. I call this